On August 4th, 2020, at 6:08 p.m., 2,750 tons of ammonium nitrate exploded after spending 6 years at the port of Beirut in Hangar 12. They were brought to Beirut on board the MV Rosus, which was owned by Cyprus-based Russian businessman Igor Krishushkin and confiscated by the Lebanese authorities. As far as we can tell, they were then left at the port of Beirut in badly kept conditions until that day in August last year. It started with a fire, and then, in a matter of seconds, blew up in a blast that was heard and felt as far away as Cyprus and Turkey. The Lebanese government, it was soon revealed, was aware of the presence of the ammonium nitrate, but failed to either declare it or get rid of it. They did not tell that to the firefighters who thought they were just going to turn off a fire. They told the firefighters that it was just firework. As he recounted to Al Jazeera, First Lieutenant Raymond Farah was the one to receive the call. He said, "I told them that I won't send out my fire truck before knowing what kind of fire it is. I need to know what's there." An officer from state security told him that it was just fireworks. It was not. And 10 firefighters, a team of 9 men and 1 woman, were sent to their deaths on that day. We have heard multiple stories since then, all well documented, of people who did not have to die that day. None of them, in fact, had to die that day. We do not have an official count of the deaths of that day, nor do we have an official count of those who died from injuries sustained on that day. We don't have that official count because the Lebanese government refused to have one. Many of the non-Lebanese who died, Syrians, Bangladeshis, Ethiopians, Egyptians, and so on, were not counted by the Lebanese government either. And to this day, the number usually given, of around 218 or so, does not include them. In this episode, I'll be reading the names of those who died from the explosion on August 4, 2020. I will include their nationality and their year of birth, except when we don't have that information, of course. The following is a list compiled by the public source. It is partly based on the official tally from the Ministry of Public Health, records of the Karantina Fire Brigade, the anti-racism movement, the interactive database Beirut607.org, social media posts, funeral announcements and obituaries, reports by the Syrian regime's media agency, and other media outlets, as well as information from relevant embassies and hospitals. To be clear, the list is not final. It may contain errors as it is the result of the hard work of people with limited resources. To request a correction or submit new information, you can email them at records@thepublicsource.org or contact them on their Facebook page, facebook.com/thepublicsource. I will now be reading the names. Abdel Halim Ali Salim, Syrian, 1991. Abdel Qadir Bloso, Syrian, 1974. Abdul Tanis Atta, Lebanese, date of birth unknown. Abdul Qadir Ali Terras, Lebanese, 1968. Ahmad Ibrahim Ka'dan, Lebanese, 1990. Ahmad Muhammad Umaira, Syrian, 1994. Alexandra Najjar, Lebanese, 2017. Ali Abbas Ismail, Lebanese, 1987. Ali Abdo Ayoub, Lebanese, 1975. Ali Hussein Zainuddin, Lebanese, 1985. Ali Ayman Ibrahim Jassim Abed, Syrian, 1994. Ali Ismail Sayyid Shahata, Egyptian. Ali Qasim Sawan, Lebanese, 1972. Ali Mahsen Mshek, Lebanese, 1977. Alice Balyan, Lebanese Armenian, date of birth unknown. Amin Saaduddin Zahid, Lebanese, 1976. Amina Slim Kreibik, Syrian, 1979. Anat Khachikian, Lebanese, 1905. Antoine Al-Barmaki, Lebanese, 1943. Ardel Manglagit, Filipina, 1977. Armand Tayyan, Lebanese, 1946. Ismahan Sarouf Aburjaili, Lebanese, 1977. Ayman Asim Sleiman, Syrian, 1988. Ayman Mustafa Hamsi, Syrian or Lebanese, 1991. Ayman Nuruddin, Lebanese, 1993. Babilin Sirohijos, Filipina, 1992. Shadi Abu Shakra, Lebanese, 1982. Shaq Sadiq, Lebanese, 1935. Shant Hagopian, Lebanese Armenian, 1976. Shaib al-Abdo Matta, Lebanese, 1996. Shaib al-Hitti, Lebanese, 1999. شرب الكرم, Lebanese, 1982. شوقي محمد علوش, Lebanese, date of birth unknown. خسال نزيح العظم, Lebanese, 1983. صدر القنو, Syrian, 2005. كلاوديا الحلبي, Lebanese, 1945. كلاوديا خليل اللقيس إيواز, Lebanese, 1975. سيرين ميشيل كنعان, Lebanese, 1989. ديليا كديكيان بابازيان, Lebanese Armenian, date of birth unknown. ديانا خوري, Lebanese, 1981. إلياس بسام الخوري, Lebanese, 2004. إلي خزامي, Lebanese, 1988. استفان سعيد روحانا, Lebanese, 1994. إتينيو دشاسا, unknown. Isaac Oilers, Australian, 2018. فادي حسين ربيع, Syrian, 1988. فادي نعيم, Lebanese, date of birth unknown. فارس جورج كيوان, Lebanese, 1990. فاروق السلو, Syrian, 1965. فوزي كليلات, Lebanese, 1951. فريال الكيكي, Lebanese, date of birth unknown. فراس متعيب دحويش, Lebanese, 1977. Gabrielle Brigitte Kuhnle-Radke, German, date of birth unknown. Gaia Fadoulian, Lebanese Armenian, 1991. Georges Malouf, Lebanese, 1987. Georges Naja Freiha, Lebanese, date of birth unknown. Georges Pierrot Demiani, Lebanese, 1945. Georges Saad, Lebanese, 1968. Georges Salim El-Wiz, Syrian Lebanese, 1966. Gerges Farjallah Daibis, Lebanese, 1971. Georges Madi, Lebanese, 1943. Ghassan Hasrouti, Lebanese, 1905. Greta Atallah Khouri, Lebanese, 1947. Haile Mariam Demiz Ritta, Ethiopian, 1983. Hala Sabbar al-Tayyah, Lebanese, date of birth unknown. Hamad Madhat al-Attar, Lebanese, 1994. Hamza Hussein Iskandar, Lebanese, 1995. Hanna Jajus Akbati, Syrian, 2000. Hawlo Ahmad Abbas, Lebanese, 1980. Hassan Akram Shams, Lebanese, 1991. Hassan Ali Al-Mani', Lebanese, 1996. Hassan Kamel Haidar, Lebanese, 1963. Hassan Mustafa Tai, Lebanese, 1978. Hassan Sadiq, Lebanese, 1994. Hayat Jirji Fadil, Lebanese, 1953. Hedwig Waldman Molière, Dutch, date of birth unknown. Hussein Batal, Lebanese, 1979. Hussein Abdelrahim Besher, Lebanese, 1963. Ibrahim Abdel Mohsen Abu Qasbe, Egyptian, 1996. Ibrahim Al-Amin, Lebanese, 1905. Imad Zahruddin, Lebanese, 1976. Isabel Mash'alani, Lebanese, date of birth unknown. Iyad Zaid Al-Amin, Lebanese, 1965. Jacques Sarkis Baramakian, Lebanese Armenian, 1989. Jacqueline Jibrin, Lebanese, 1965. Jacques Jmayil, Lebanese, 1973. Jad George Al-Dahdah, Lebanese, 1957. Jad Smeha, Lebanese, 1986. Jawad Ajwad Shaya, Lebanese, 1989. Jean-Frédéric Allam, Lebanese, 1964. Jean-Marc Bonfils, French-Lebanese, 1963. Jessica Bezdijian, Lebanese Armenian, 1997. جيسيكا حوجي داوود Lebanese 1989. جهاد مارون سعادة Lebanese 1976. جهاد عمر Lebanese 1958. جو إلياس عقيقي Lebanese 1997. جو إلي بوسعب Lebanese 1992. جو فرانسيس حداد Lebanese 1984. جو جورج أمدون Lebanese 1984. جو نون Lebanese 1993. جلباب ساجد علي باكستاني 2006. جوزيف لطيف مرعي Lebanese date of birth unknown. جوزيف تانيوس روكوز Lebanese 1975. جوزيفين بوزيد Lebanese 1949. جود حج سطيف Syrian 2007. قيصر فؤاد أبو مرهج Lebanese 1984. كمال كافا Lebanese 1980. قاسم يوسف المولي Lebanese 1994. كاظم شمس الدين Lebanese 1953. خلدية سعيد بكري Syrian 1978. خالد وحود Syrian 1987. خليل أديب عون مجاعس Lebanese 1949. خليل عيسى Lebanese 1966. لطيفة حج ستيف Syrian 1996. لوريت عويدة ريشة Lebanese 1933. ليلى مدخي الخوري Lebanese 1938. ليلى النجار الخازن Lebanese 1945. لينا بو حمدان Lebanese 1964. ليزا كافوجيان غوزوبويوكيان Lebanese Armenian 1974. مهدي حسان روني بنغلاديشي 1988. محمود علي سعيد Lebanese 1998. محمود حسين خالد Lebanese 1966. ماجدة سعادة كساب Lebanese 1968. ملاك محمد بزازة أيوب Lebanese 1990. مارغو طبال Lebanese 1926. ماريا بيا إيمانويل أبو سليمان Lebanese date of birth unknown. ماري سعد Lebanese date of birth unknown. ماري فرحات Lebanese 1941. ماري طوق Lebanese 1975. ماريون غاستون حوشر Lebanese 1953. مازن رجا زويهد Lebanese 1988. ميرال جرمانوس Lebanese 1993. مثال حوا Lebanese 1992. ميزان جهانجيان خا بنغلاديشي 1995. محمد أحمد عباس Lebanese 1981. محمد أحمد علاء الدين Lebanese 1994. محمد أحمد عيروت Syrian 1981. محمد علي عباس Lebanese 1974. محمد لسان السباعي Lebanese 1991. محمد حسين دغيم Palestinian 1970. محمد عيسى المحمود Syrian 1989. محمد جمال بنغلاديشي date of birth unknown. محمد نور دوران Lebanese 1974. محمد تليس Lebanese 1978. محمد ياسر صليبي Lebanese 2003. محمد الحسين Lebanese date of birth unknown. محمد علاء الدين دمج Lebanese 1997. محمد عيروت Syrian 1990. مصطفى سعد الدين بليك Lebanese date of birth unknown. نعمة الله أنطوان مخيبر Lebanese 1967. نجيب حتي Lebanese 1993. نوال عطية Lebanese 1953. نوال حمد العزم Syrian 1989. نزار نجريان Lebanese Armenian 1957. نولا يوسف شديد Lebanese 1956. نيكول ماجد الحلو Lebanese date of birth unknown. بولات اسكندر هاشم Lebanese 1957. بريليتا مندوزا فيليبينا 1982. Ralph Malahi, Lebanese, 1997. Rami Hassan al-Kaki, Lebanese, 1984. Rawan Misto, Syrian, 1999. Rizal Munir Sikder, Bangladeshi, 1982. Rubai Yusuf Sam'an, Lebanese, 1965. Rushdi Jamal, Egyptian, 1995. Sabah Mirhij Nassour, Lebanese, 1936. Sahar Faris, Lebanese, 1993. Samir Boulos Karam, Lebanese, date of birth unknown. Sarkis Tekerian, Lebanese Armenian, 1929. El Ert Sofi Khosrovian, Iranian Armenian, 1942. Tanyus Mkhayyil Al-Mur, Lebanese, 1948. Saroud Muhammad Htet, Lebanese, 1973. Thérèse Merhi Antoun, Lebanese, date of birth unknown. Varujan Boros Toussounian, Lebanese Armenian, 1934. William Nabil Azar, Lebanese, 1988. Wissam Khalil Faisal, Lebanese, 1974. Yaqub Al-Jmayil, Lebanese, 1973. Yusuf Saleh Al-Houd, Lebanese, date of birth unknown. Yvette George Mini, Lebanese, 1953. Ivan Sursok Cochrane, Lebanese, 1922. Zaina Sham'oun, Lebanese, 1963. Zaina Ramzi Raji Zarour, Lebanese, 1980. Ziad Mustafa Sabah, Lebanese, date of birth unknown. Zainab Mgharb Al-Abbas, Lebanese, 1933. Wahib Abiad, nationality unknown, date of birth 1940. Muhammad Abed Al-Hassan, Syrian, 1990. Zahwa Nu'ul Al-Dada, nationality unknown, date of birth 1965. Zed Maita, Lebanese, 1934. Khodo Shafiq Badr, nationality unknown, date of birth 1950. Qusay Fadi Ramadan, nationality unknown, 2020. Antoine Flouti, Lebanese, date of birth unknown. Antoine Najabasil, Lebanese, 1933. Antoine Zarour, Lebanese, date of birth unknown. Eli Nuhad Naufal, Lebanese, 1967. Ensaf Attar, Lebanese, 1920. Tanius Antoun, Lebanese, 1967. Thérèse Khouri, nationality unknown, date of birth unknown. Minerva Shartouni, Lebanese, 1951. Salma Al-Hattouni, nationality unknown, date of birth unknown. Jamal Doud Mia, Bangladeshi, 1993. Rashid Hafizur, Bangladeshi, 1982. Amir Hussein, Syrian, 1995. Nabil Sulaiman, Lebanese, 1929. Jean Saïd Kaubali, Lebanese, 1945. Jean Saïd Name, unknown. Farida Khoui Russon, Lebanese, 1948. Bisan Tibati, Syrian, 2013. Muhammad Muhaddin Ladri, Lebanese, 1963. Isa Khudr, Syrian, date of birth unknown. Nadia Bashir, Lebanese, 1935. Hadi Assaf, Lebanese, 1999. Hadi Sukkar, Lebanese, 1944. Shawi Marib, Lebanese, 1944. Nahid Diana Papazian, Lebanese Armenian, 1925. Dima Abdel Samad, Lebanese, date of birth unknown. Azam Yahya Al-Hamwi, Syrian, 1964. Doli Qasim Khouri, Lebanese, 1925. Abdel Muhib Makhlaf Al-Aziz, Syrian, 1997. Marine Elias, Syrian, 1930. Najad Asad Al-Hibr Zaidan, Lebanese, 1937. Ramil Masoud Mia, Bangladeshi, 1991. Unknown female, Bangladeshi. Unknown female, Bangladeshi. Unknown female, Bangladeshi. Kia, missing, possibly Indian. Date of birth unknown. Basra Ako, missing, unknown nationality, unknown date of birth. Fadwa Dumit Saadu, Syrian, date of birth unknown. Etetu Deshasa Tulu, Ethiopian, date of birth unknown. Anahid Berberian, Lebanese, date of birth unknown. Joël Frali, Lebanese, date of birth unknown. Ahmed Hamesh, Syrian, date of birth unknown. Muhammad Al-Abed Al-Isa Al-Salibi, Syrian, date of birth unknown. Abdul Karim Hanshul, Syrian, 2002. Ahmad Haddad, Syrian, 1978. Ahmad Khalaf, Syrian, 1982. Ahmad Khalid Al-Mahmoud, Syrian, 2010. Ahmad Mahmoud Mehdi, Syrian, 1978. Ahmad Sarras, Syrian, 1962. Ali Harji, Syrian, 1978. Ali Sobhi Khalaf, Syrian, 1996. Imam Mahmoud Hameen, Syrian, 2001. Arif Yasser Bek, Syrian, 1995. Ayman Ibrahim Yusuf, Syrian, 1992. Shakira Ali, Syrian, 1993. Dol Mahmoud, Syrian, 1990. Fadila Sawas, Syrian, 1981. Fawaz Hamad Jassim, Syrian, 1982. Riyath Abdul Mu'min Rizq, Syrian, 1990. Rida Haritha, Syrian, 1990. Hala Ibrahim Abdul Rahman, Syrian, 2013. Hamam Mahmoud Al Muhammad, Syrian, 2012.